call it puppy love. Oh, I guess they'll never know how a young heart really feels, and why I love it so. And they called it puppy love, just because we're in our teens. Tell them all, please tell them it isn't fair to take away my only dream. I cry each night, my tears for you. My tears are only in vain. I hope and I pray that maybe someday you'll be back in my arms once again. Someone help me please. Is the answer up above? How can I tell them this is not a puppy love? Someone help me please. Is the answer up above? How can I tell them this is not a puppy love? Not a puppy love.